Good afternoon. Quick video message for Darren. Darren, hi. Thank you for buying the Stihl 07. So, before we put her in the box, I thought I'd run her one last time so you can see how she's leaving me. So, she hasn't been started for about a week, is it, when I did the video? Can't remember exactly. So, it'll be a... Make sure I've got some fuel in here. Ooh. Tiny amount. Okay, that'll be good. That'll be good to see what the fuel pickup's like with this, the tiny bit in the base. Okay. So, throttle lock. Joke. Oh. Can't get my grip in here. Oh. Is she going to fire or not? Many thanks, Darren. I hope you love the saw. Hope it's a great source of spares, or if you're refurbishing her, I'd love to see the end result. Thanks again. I hope we deal again soon. Bye for now.